Welcome back. This video will walk you through the exact steps you need to take to jumpstart and maintain healthy growing hair. Before we do that though, I want to recap our last few videos. In our first video, we talked about the current state of hair care, the core fundamentals, and why they are necessary for you to learn. In the second video, we talked about a few steps that you can take right now to assess your hair and to begin your journey to healthy hair. In the third video, I shared a hair care recipe that I use both personally and professionally. And if you have damaged hair, dry hair, hair that's lacking moisture, prone to breakage, you don't want to miss that video. Now, with that said, let's talk about a few steps that I've coined as the hair care protocols. A protocol is defined as an accepted, established code of procedure or behavior. In formal diplomatic situations, protocols cannot be broken. If there's a particular goal one has in mind, one must adhere to the protocols of the set hierarchy in order to conquer and pursue the said goal. The same is valid for your hair care. If your goal is to grow and maintain healthy hair, the hair care protocols cannot go ignored. The first hair care protocol is cleansing. First, you must cleanse your hair and scalp. Between hair products, residue from dead skin cells, oils, debris in the environment, your hair and scalp are prone to buildup. And that buildup can clog your pores, leading to inflammation, infection, and even worse, hair loss. Cleansing your hair and scalp is the #1 protocol to healthy hair. Absolutely, hands down. The next step is correction. Correcting any problems that lie within your hair isn't very important. Once you've successfully cleansed your hair and scalp, you now can go in and correct any issues that you may have. These kinds of modifications or corrections happen with treatments like strengthening treatments for weak hair, hot oil treatments for dehydrated hair, or hydration treatments for brittle hair. Listen, these types of treatments can go in and correct hair problems, but they must be applied to a clean scalp and a clean hair in order to be effective. The third step in our hair care protocol is conditioning, the one we all love. It will soften your hair, creating a manageable head of hair. But beyond this, it will reestablish the natural pH of your hair. It will safeguard you from damage and make sure that your hair is ready for styling. This is crucial because it protects the hair from damage, closing the cuticle layer, reinforcing everything that you did in the previous step, which was the corrective step. The final hair care protocol is protecting. Now, I know you may think this is an oxymoron because most of you are out there saying, aren't all the protocols meant to protect? The short answer, yes, all the protocols are intended to protect on some level, but this step in the process protects differently. The first 3 protocols, cleanse, correct, condition, work primarily on the inner structure of hair. But this protocol is focused on the outer layer, which is especially important for those that style their hair with heating elements like blow dryers, curling irons, flat irons, etc. These heating tools are prone to cause damage, especially when used excessively and improperly. Protecting your hair against this kind of mechanical damage is necessary in order to ensure that you don't destroy the hair structure. If you learn nothing else, the hair care protocols will set you up for success. In my upcoming Know and Grow Your Hair course, I'll share more strategies with you, such as hair loss prevention, product knowledge. So make sure that you stay on the lookout because in a few days, I'll release more information on how you can join the course. Listen, as stated, this is my 25th anniversary in the business of hair and beauty. And as I said before, I want to empower individuals like you. I want to empower you to take the power of the professional into your own hands. I've learned so much as it pertains to hair care, how to properly care for it, treat it, and I want to share those trade secrets with you. If you're interested in growing healthy hair and learning how to properly maintain it, join my Know and Grow Your Hair course. Now, because I want each of my students to get the most out of this course, I'm limiting the number of people that can attend. With that said, get your name on the early bird wait list. Get your name on the list so that you can secure your spot for the course. In my next video, I have some exceptional guests that will share with us. They will inspire you and share with you some important truths regarding their hair care journey. I can't wait for you to meet them. So don't miss the following video. I hope this information has helped you. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.